Okay, we're going to work on Chapter 4, Lesson 8. Before you actually really begin this lesson, you need to create the object I have on the screen, which is a T shape, and then we pull it up. We want the top part of our T to be the larger side, and the other one you can pull it up about halfway, or even a little bit more than halfway. All right. Next thing we're going to do is create our pitches for the roof. So we want to find the midpoint, and same thing down here, find the midpoint. Just take your selection tool, select that line, pull this up on the blue axis, and now this is going to look a little silly, but however tall you made your previous one will determine this next roof pitch. All right, you might have to zoom out, but you want this to be on the blue axis, but make sure it is taller than this roof right there. Okay, so that is our design, and now what we have to do is create something so that the roof actually goes into this roof too. Now we'll take our pencil tool, we're going to click this endpoint, and we're going to bring it back to some point on this line right here. Doesn't matter, just make sure it says on edge. Hold your shift key and drag your mouse to the back side of this roof, and it says that constrained on line intersect plane. Once it says that, click. Alright, and then we find that spot on our line up here, wherever you made it before, it will say on edge. Now, if you get an error, that means you need to repeat that step. So I'll do that one more time just to show you. Alright, just to show, and I'll zoom in a little bit here so we can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to click this endpoint, I'm going to drag it back somewhere on this edge, hold my shift key, come over here, and it'll say constrained on line intersect plane. I'll click. Alright, now when you do it correctly, you're going to get this spot right here. It says endpoint. Right? So that's where I'm going to click again. Hold my mouse somewhere over here. It's going to say on face. Hold the shift key down. Drag it over to this line right here. Click. And it creates a line. I'll do the same thing to the other side. Zoom out and zoom in a couple times here. Go to your pencil tool again. We're going to find that endpoint. Bring it down to this roof on the pitch. It should say on face. Hold your shift key. Drag it over to where it matches up with this line. Click. And you get that. Now for me, I got a little piece of roof sticking out here. We're going to erase that. Okay. Now notice that what happens here is it opens this area up. That's no big deal. Just take our line tool, connect, and connect. Erase these extra lines to heal the surface. And there we go. Now this roof goes right into this one right here. Okay. All one solid plane. Alright. That's it for Lesson 8. When you are done, make sure you have completed all the rest of the assignments and turn this into the classroom on Google. Alright, thank you.